Hello again, Alec. The seat runners on my TR4, when I took them off, this is one side before it's prepared. This side has been wire brushed thoroughly and sprayed with a zinc primer. You can't get them at the moment, so whether they'll come back on the market I don't know, but I can't wait. I need to put the seat runners back on. What I noticed was that they actually run on these little rubber wheels. You can see that one I've stripped out. You've got these little rubber wheels that it actually runs on. You have to be very careful when you reassemble it, because I don't know if you can see, there's a depression there, a third and a fourth, and they actually run between these two, and when you reassemble it, you must make sure that they actually come in the right positions, otherwise they'll jam up. There's a little protrusion which stops it, but I'm happy that I can reassemble this. I'm just showing you this one, which is extremely rusty and probably very serious, but I can't get them, so hey ho. Wire brush thoroughly, prime with a zinc rich, it's a 90% zinc spray that I've used, and I'll show you, I'll edit this and show you when it's all reassembled. There it is, all assembled again. The lever, I've lubricated that and everything slides nicely. There you can see the little tracks. I put some grease in there just to help it. You can see the tracks where the little rubber wheels that I showed you earlier. Everything is running nicely, so I'm happy with that. I'll do the other side and then I can put them back onto the seats. There's the two seat slides there, all painted. I put some silver paint on with a rust inhibitor. They're primed and rust free, so both sides are looking very good. I'm very happy with this. The fact that I couldn't get them, I would have much rather have bought them, but again, needs must if we can't get them. They do slide nicely. I'm very happy and I'm confident to put these back onto my seats.